I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Twitter. For that, first of all, open up your Twitter app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of create account. Tap on it. Now you'll need to enter your name, your phone number or email address, and your date of birth. When you are done, tap on next. Again, tap on next. Now at the bottom of the page you'll see the option of sign up. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen informing that they have sent a verification code. Tap on OK. Enter the verification code that has been sent to you on your phone number or your email. And when you are done, tap on next. Create a password, and when you are done, tap on next. Tap on the plus sign if you want to upload a profile picture. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you like Twitter to access your photos. Tap on OK. Select the photo that you want to upload. Adjust the photo, and when you are done, tap on apply, which is on top right of your screen. You also can edit the picture. After that, tap on done, which is on top right. Now tap on next. Enter your bio and then tap on next. If you want to connect with people from your contacts, tap on sync contacts. If not, tap on not now. Select the topics that you are interested in and then tap on next, which is on bottom right of your screen. Now Twitter will suggest you some accounts to follow. After you are done, tap on the follow button, which is on bottom right. If you want to turn on notification, tap on allow notification. If not, tap on skip for now. This way you can easily sign up on Twitter. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.